I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select Fluent CRM for action. Click Connect to Fluent CRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to Fluent CRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.